Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Pinterest. We will go to settings. In this page we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Pinterest app and you will click not here. You click on Pinterest app like this. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.